It's a 2018 Audi Q7. Intelligent design coupled with legendary capability make this Q7 a serious performer that elevates luxury to a new level. And it comes with all the amenities you need: intercooled supercharged V6 engine, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, refrigerated box located in the glove box, multi-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.